feel my leg. Monday was alright, so I was quite nice, but then just.
It's good going through the Balmoral estate. I enjoyed that.
Alright, John.
Yeah, ready to rock.
Yeah, good stuff. Right, should we make a start, folks? Let's start this glorious day's riding. And it's going to be absolutely fantastic. So we're coming out of the Cairngorms today. So all the Cairngorms. All the hard work is in the morning, really. So obviously we're we're in the middle, so the morning is really tough, but it's going to be absolutely beautiful. And we've got ideal weather for it. You're doing really well with this weather dodging, so keep that up. So, first through is at 17.5 miles, which sounds easy enough, but it's on top of a ski centre. So we're going up the Lecht. So the Lecht at 17.5 miles is where the brew van will be. And there's a couple of climbs before that as well. It's great, just enjoy it. There's no rush, take it at your own pace. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. The climb that goes up to the Lecht, the first bit of that is really steep, and there is absolutely no shame in pushing that bit because it's a 20%, you know, possibly a little bit more. And then once you got that bit out of the way, it gets easier.
How long's that for?
Probably less than 1/4 mile, but it feels longer, if you know what I mean. Whether you're grinding your way up it on the bike or pushing it will feel longer than it is. But so after that bit, it then levels out and then you'll see the road ahead of you and it just looks incredible. But the rest of it isn't that steep, it's all rideable from there. So Strava fans, the segment for the Lecht, it begins at the bottom where it says Cock Bridge. Have a chuckle at that and then get stuck in there. Oh, and also the Strava segment finishes at the Castle Grid, which might be just past our brew van. So if you try to lay down the marker on Strava, just keep going to the Cattle Grid and we'll cheer you on. Anyway, right, so that's 17.5 miles. It could well be cool up there, a bit like yesterday's ski centre. I was chatting to the bloke who works up there earlier in the year, and he reckoned last year the temperature didn't get above 4 degrees Celsius all year, at any point of the day or year. Although this year I've been up there once and it was quite warm, so you never know, we might be lucky, but just, you know, get ready to put an extra layer on, because then as you start going down, you'll be chilly if you don't. There's a toilet up there, there's a cafe up there. If you want to use the toilet, the woman behind the counter will charge you 50p. So just to warn you on that one. I know, very welcoming, aren't they? There's another little cheeky climb before lunch called Bridge of Brown, but then it's a lovely descent into lunch. Lunch is at 38 miles at the Nethy Bridge Hotel. And we kind of get to a T-junction and the route goes left, but the Nethy Bridge Hotel is on the right of that T-junction.